Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to ice dye a spiral. Decide where you want the center of your spiral to be, give it a little pinch, and then just spiral it up. Secure your spiral by using rubber bands. Using a washable marker, mark out your pattern. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to add the dye. And I'm from the Pacific Northwest, and our football team is the Seattle Seahawks. So I picked the colors of their uniform to make this spiral. A quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure. I got these ice cube trays off Amazon, and I do have a link for them down below in the description box, along with everything else that I use for tie-dye. One thing I want to tell you though, if you do end up getting them, don't overfill them because it makes them really hard to get out. I decided that I needed to build some type of a ice barrier, so I grabbed my silicone cake molds, and then I sprinkled a little bit of the nugget ice over top just to fill in the cracks where the square ice cubes didn't meet up. It's been 24 hours since the ice is melted, and now it's time for the rinse out. You want to start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the shirt, although with ice dyes there really isn't much soda ash left. But anyways, start with the cold water and then gradually increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. Then from here I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol, and I do a third hot water cycle using Milsoft, and then I put it in the dryer, and then we'll come back and we'll see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried. I like this shirt. I really like the bright green. I didn't think Kelly green was going to be this neon looking, but I'm overall very happy with it. So what do you guys think of this shirt? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.